Okay, so this is funny. I thought my series was over, and then I realized, oh, I forgot to show off all of my Excel planner wallet inserts that I'm going to be offering as freebies. So since this is now the fourth video in this series, I will link all of my freebies down below as soon as I figure out how. So I wanted to go over that. So I went over this thing in my last video. So the first half is all of my clips and dashboards and bookmarks and things like that. The back half are all of the inserts that I created or a couple I have purchased, and I will also link her shop below. But so I needed to go over all of that so that obviously you would have the inserts for your planner wallet. Okay, so the first thing I have it. I just dropped it. Me fine. We're fine. She's good. Nothing happened. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. So the first insert I did was my birthday celebration. Obviously I just printed and made one of these, laminated it and inserted it into my planner. So there's that one. I literally have celebrations at the top with 6 months on one side. You flip it over, celebrations at the top with 6 months on the back side. So that turned out really easy. The next one I have is my, what is this? My weekly menu. Super simple to do. But again, I'm going to link all of these below. So I have since then, I have all of these printed out and stored nicely in my little accordion file. So I think there's 4 to a page, maybe 3, I don't know. But basically, so you would just print these and cut them yourself. And then obviously, oh my gosh, you guys, what the heck? I'm so sorry. Okay, so you would print, cut, and then hole punch them for your thing. So there's my weekly menu. Maybe it's because I'm using the same chair to hold all my shit. Okay, so then you have, where did this go? Okay, my weekly meal planner there. Then the next one I did is my shopping list, which I also printed and originally laminated and had a whiteout pen, but I realized that I don't like doing that because then I have to hold my planner while I shop, and I didn't like doing that, touching everything and stuff. So anyway, so now I just print these, cut them, hole punch them, and add them myself. So pretty much to use my Excel inserts, all you'll have to do, you can hand cut these with scissors, which everyone on the planet has, or you can buy yourself a paper cutter, which I obviously have, and then the hole puncher. And you can either match these up to a dashboard you buy and use a single hole puncher, or you can buy an actual paper hole puncher made for the personal size planner. And I'll go over all of that at the end too. So that's my grocery. So again, same thing. I printed a bunch. I store them in my file. They're double-sided. They're great because then you just use it and toss it as you need them. Okay, the next part, the next Excel sheet I have is my online shopping tracker. Same thing. I don't know if I can, because these images down here in the little corner, oh, I have 2 of the same. But they were purchased through a digital download off of somebody who created them and made them on Etsy. So obviously my Excel sheet that I provide free to you will not have those on it. However, if you are feeling crafty, you can add your own image. I just don't want to get in trouble for putting that on my freebie to you guys. So where are those? So same thing, I print, oh, there's the other one. Same thing, I just created these in Excel, printed them, cut them, hole punched them, and I also have these filed away here. The next Excel worksheet is all of my budgeting ledgers. Are budgeted here. I labeled all of mine, so I have, what do I have? I have groceries. Oh, I guess there's a bunch. So I have groceries, household, pets, beauty, clothing, commissions, gifts, family fun, date night, and then Marcy's fund. So again, Excel, I'll have the freebie as soon as I figure out how to do this, you guys. And is that everything? No, that's not everything, because then you come to, okay, these next ones were purchased from Minted Sugar. She has a cute little website, and so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is the calendar I choose to use in my planner. Super cute, it's undated, and it starts off like this. The month, so I handwrite in, and it's blank, so I handwrite in the month. I have the days here that I put together, and that's that. Okay, and so again, I'll link her down below, but I loved her calendar because it starts with Monday, because this I use for my YouTube calendar, and I pretty much focus on YouTube Monday through Friday, and so the Saturdays and Sundays I'm able to just put down here, but Monday through Friday is wide open. And then the other thing I purchased from Minted Sugar are her lined planner inserts. Super cute. She does offer these in a mint green and a pink, and I originally ordered the pink. However, I am OCD, and I'm like, okay, when I make a mistake, I have to use whiteout or start over. It's terrible. It's a disease, but that's how I am. So I switched them all out to white so that I wouldn't be wasting the pretty pink paper. So anyways, that is all. Those are purchased from her. And now I believe that's it. So in ending this video, I'm going to show you all of the supplies that would help you do these if you want to not hand cut all of these printouts or anything. So the first thing is I have a label maker. I bought this. I didn't buy this. It was gifted to me for my birthday a few years ago from my sister and brother-in-law, because I love labeling shit. Aw. But anyways, that was purchased at Costco in a pack, so pretty affordable. The next, I mentioned the double-sided tape, and this is what I used to attach all of my sticky notes to my dashboard, and it's nice. It has a little cap here, and then you can buy refills for this, which I've also purchased on Amazon, so I'll link all of this below. Then you need your hole puncher. This I got at Joann's, I think, either Joann's or Michael's. But it is made, it has all of these settings. If you're gonna get one, I'm gonna try and link one below, but if you get one, you just have to make sure that it has personal planner size on it. Now, what I found too is when I was making my own and laminating them, they weren't as consistent as they are as if you were having them purchased from a company or whatever. So I have had to adjust the holes a little bit. So just a tip, always pre-punch an actual cutout and then take your laminating sections, because there's always a little border, into consideration before you hole punch something. And then in this guy, this is, I love this thing. It's a Band-Aid holder I got in a Costco pack of Band-Aids. But on this thing, I have my refills, and then I have two of my knives that I use to help cut and get precise edges. So there's that. And then obviously you need a laminator, which I love this freaking thing. Then the laminating paper. This is just, what is it? Scotch thermal laminating pouches. There's 100 pouches, and they're for a standard sheet of paper, and it's the 3mm. And again, I'll link everything below. And last but not least, if you're not wanting to hand cut everything, I have my paper cutter. It's just plastic, but it's awesome. I love this thing. So there you have it. Now the series is over. I think I have covered everything from purchasing a planner all the way to decorating it and getting it how you want it. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment below, ask me below. I'd be glad to help and answer along the way. And please let me know if you decide to do it. I'm excited to see how this goes. So anyways, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And hit that notification bell to be notified of when I upload my videos. All right, thanks so much. Bye.